All right, gang, Whiplash. Little under tempo, okay? Neiman, just do your best. There we go. 5, 6, 8. Here. Little trouble there. Let's pick it up at 17. Ready? 5, 6, and. Not quite my tempo. Here we go. 5, 6. Downbeat on 18. Okay, here we go. 5, 6. Bar 17, the and of 4. Got it? 5, 6. Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. You're rushing. Here we go. Ready? Okay. 5, 6, and. Dragging just a hair. Wait for my cue.
Dork!
5, 6, 7. Rushing. 5, 6, and. Dragging. 5, 6.
Huh! Hey, roll! Incoming!
Why do you suppose I just hurled a chair at your head, Neiman?
I don't know.
Sure you do.
The tempo?
Were you rushing or were you dragging?
I don't know.
Start counting.
5, 6,
In
7.
4, damn it! Look at me!
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. No.
Was I rushing or was I dragging? Count again.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rushing or dragging?
Rushing.
So you do know the difference! If you deliberately sabotage my band, I will fuck you like a pig. Now, are you a rusher? Or are you a dragger? Or are you gonna be on my fucking time?
On your time.
What does that say?
Quarter note equals 215.
Count me at 215.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jesus
Dork!
fucking Christ! I didn't know they allowed retards into Shaper. Am I to understand that you cannot read tempo? Can you even fucking read music? What is that?
8th note.
Yes, what is that?
Dotted 16th note.
Sight read measure 101.
Fucking
Fucking a cappella group? Play the goddamn kit! Stop! Now answer my question. Were you rushing or were you dragging? Answer! Oh my dear God. Are you one of those single tier people? Do I look like a double fucking rainbow to you? You must be upset. Are you upset?
No.
No, so you just don't give a shit about any of this?
I do give a shit about this.
Are you upset? Yes or fucking no? Yes, you are upset.
Yeah.
Say it.
I'm upset.
Say it so the whole band can hear you.
I'm upset.
Louder!
Say the magic words.
I'm upset.
Louder!
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me! Dork!